Hi, I'm Jan Mead, and I'm putting together the 5 videos of the online technology and applications that we can use in the classroom. I cannot do this without doing my Apex Learning because I am mandated to use Apex. And it is something that is available. It does cost money. My district does pay for it, but it is something that a lot of homeschool companies use, and it's actually it's a decent program. It has its drawbacks. We are capable of picking and choosing the content. We can turn off units, turn on units, that kind of thing. So I wanted to show you, I've already logged in. I log in through my district. I am teaching biology and physical science, first and second semester in both. So this is basically what the students see. If they're in my biology class, they'll have a list of all of their classes on here, and this is what they would see. So they would go into biology core, and I have turned through here. The teachers can add labs. I'll show you a little bit more. In Appendix B, we can add activities that can be graded. So this is our grade book also. I don't have to keep any other grade books. This is my grade book and everything. And if I was doing like a lab, the PhET lab or McGraw-Hill labs, I have right here a McGraw-Hill lab that's in here. I add them to my Appendix B. I put in how many points I want for it. I can put in if I have extra credit for it or not, if it's an extra credit assignment, and when that student completes this, I can log their grade. I can't show you the grade book because that's private information, right here I have some extra credit. Flynn's safety sheet. Every semester the students have to sign a safety sheet. Here's the microscopy lab. I actually designed that myself, so it's not virtual. So let me get out of this right here. Let me go into what the students see. Okay, so they actually will only see one unit at a time. They're going to click on this first unit, and it will go over everything with them, and they can, if they have low reading skills, they can have it read to them.
Where does the oxygen that living things breathe come from? How do organisms...
And so we go into the next one, and here's their study guides. They can print this out and do this along with the reading. This helps with learning, and I actually help them a lot with these things. They can use these in my class. They can use them with the quizzes and tests if it's their own notes. And so when they get to the quizzes, they're going to take the quizzes, and it's usually 10 question quizzes in biology. There's 15 question quizzes in physical science. Physical science was recently updated. Biology needs to be updated. In physical science, there's more fill in the blank and multiple answer questions that actually goes into more higher level learning. This is still very multiple choice, lower level learning. So, you know, like how does discriminate, this one is the scientific method here, first unit. So this is what the students will be seeing. They'll just, they won't be able to move on until they finish a quiz, and they can move on, and they have to do 70% on a quiz. So in here, they also have student resources, but the most important thing as a teacher is the fact that this is my running grade book, and this, you know, and I can add assignments inside of their extra credit, all that wonderful stuff. If you go in here to the plant transpiration lab, I can put in the link. I tell them I have handouts printed out. They're in a basket. I put the link in. They can click on it and then go right over here to the McGraw-Hill and start their lab for plant transpiration. So it's a decent learning program, but it's something that I have to use. We're looking into maybe changing next year. Also looking forward to maybe using Google Classroom too next year. So that's what's going on with this, and thank you very much.